Okay, I wanted to show you this real quick. I just finished using my immersion blender on this. It still needs a little bit of stirring, and I feel like it needs a little bit more thickness. And I'm thinking maybe adding a slurry in there. Or what I could do is cook up some potatoes. I could cook some potatoes, boil them down, and then add them. But what I did was I sauteed real quick. I sauteed some leeks, carrot, a leek, a carrot, and then some. I grated some ginger, tumeric, fresh. This is fresh turmeric and fresh ginger. And I added some garlic. I minced up some garlic, added it in there, and then I had some leftover that turkey. I put it back in the freezer after I cooked it in some turkey liquids and a chicken broth, and I added that, about a couple cups of that, and then I added some Marscapone. I put some curry, so just a tad bit of sumac blend, and I put some of these beautiful red peppers in there. So I was thinking doing a creamy red pepper soup, and and when I also added some shallots and sauteed the shallots and the celery. So yeah, there's celery. So this is like a melody of a whole bunch of vegetables. It's so healthy and it's so delicious. Now I was going to put some coconut butter, and I was going to put some pumpkin in there. I can actually get away with adding some pumpkin. I have some canned pumpkin that I can add in there, and that would soften the flavors. But I don't know if I want to soften the flavors, because this is so delicious. I added just a pinch of salt. If I would have had some white pepper, I would have added that as well. But the flavors are there. Oh, and I also added some nutritional yeast, and this is really good stuff. That really is flavorful. The nutritional yeast it takes the place of bouillon, but it has a lot of nutrients in there, and it's so yummy. That nutritional yeast makes it'll make you want to become vegan. So it's so delicious and it's so flavorful. But that's basically what I did, and then I blended it with immersion blender. I know my pot's a little dirty. I usually clean it up and stuff, but I wanted to show you this while it was fresh in my head and before. Oh, and when I sauteed it, of course, I used my avocado oil when I sauteed it. So this is really, really delicious, and it's healthy and it's good. And that Marscapone, I only added like a couple tablespoons of that in there, just to make it to get it to go a little creamy. Anyways, it's so yummy. So, okay, there you have it.